Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you what is 4K Plus in YouTube TV. If you're wondering what 4K YouTube TV actually is, it's an optional add-on designed to enhance your YouTube TV experience with next-level viewing features. With 4K Plus, you can stream, select live, and on-demand programs in crystal clear ultra-high definition, bringing every scene to life with sharper details and vibrant colors. You'll also gain access to unlimited simultaneous streams at home and even download your DVR recordings to watch offline anytime on your phone or your tablet. To explore what's included, just head to your settings, choose 4K to see which networks offer Ultra HD, go to downloads or offline options, or tap screen limits to manage your device streams. Some partner networks automatically include these upgrades if you have already subscribed to their add ons. In short, 4K YouTube TV gives you higher quality, more flexibility, and truly immersive viewing experience. Perfect for families, binge watchers, or anyone who just wants the best picture possible. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.